I'm going to tell you what the hardest part about affiliate marketing actually is. I've been in the game for a few years and I've made the majority of my money online, so I've seen many people come and go. But I have noticed one thing though. It's not about the stress of setting up your business. It's not about overthinking how you're going to get your first sale or if you've done something wrong within your business plan. It's not even about having a penny coming in, even though you're working nonstop and you seem to be working for nothing. It's not even about having the patience to see your business grow. Listen, online businesses, they do take time to get some sort of momentum, but I'll tell you what, it's the only business that I know of that you can get into profit within 30 days. And in some cases, it just takes a couple of weeks with minimal investment. But the kicker is this. The thing is, I've seen most people struggle with actually just getting started. So you need to stop watching and start doing because shiny object syndrome is for real. You have to discipline yourself on staying focused. And I know there's a lot of nonsense and rah-rah, and I get it. It's tough to know who to listen to and who to trust. But I'm actually here to help in any way I can because I know how money can seriously change relationships and lives. And if you don't have money to invest in yourself, you know what? Invest your time into learning about whichever online business you're interested in. Cancel your Netflix subscription and just start watching videos with people that are actually doing what you want to do. Read blogs, articles. There's tons of resources on the internet. But if you do get lost, just hit me up as it's easily done to be lost on the web. And I'll give you whatever guidance I can as to where to look and what to learn. Just make sure that you enjoy what you're doing and most importantly, enjoy the journey. I've seen people quit their full-time professional jobs in less than a year in order to live their lives free wherever and however they want to, all thanks to having a business that they love doing online. I mean, I'm talking about medical professionals, engineers, people who have spent years earning degrees but just ended up dreading going to work in the morning after they'd got their degrees. So I hope this video has helped out and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help or you can simply check out the link in my bio. So wishing you all the success and happiness that you deserve.